Hey guys, Dave here. Quick update on the bike and just some chatting. So it's been a week-ish since we've done the upgrade on this particular bike. Tires are doing great, brakes are looking awesome, and it just rides really well with that new sprocket. So very happy overall with the upgrades. I really think the $100 for the brakes are well worth it. I was kind of gawking at how much it costs to actually put on better brakes, but honestly, these are probably the best brakes I have. I've got hydraulic disc brakes on a couple of different bikes, and I'd say these are the best feeling hydraulic disc brakes that I've got so far. So good overall. There was one minor issue with this configuration. It was with the rear. The brakes are awesome. Bolting them on was incredibly easy. The front was great. Everything looks fine. The rear rotor, or the rotor, is wavy, and it's actually really close to hitting this pin right here. In fact, the front one just barely misses these waves on top of the rotor, and the rear one actually was smacking this pin, this cotter pin that goes through it to hold the brake pads in. It was smacking it. So I had to put little spacers in here. They actually came included. I'm not sure if that's where I was supposed to use them, but I used some spacers right here to pull it away from the rotor. So it's not grabbing as much of the rotor as it could have, and I used pretty big spacers. I probably could use smaller spacers. It was just barely touching. That's the only minor issue that I ran into with this brake kit. Everything else, the length was perfect, front and rear, no issues. Really, really great. So would I recommend this brake kit? 100%. These new tires, they actually make the suspension feel much, much better as well. The suspension hasn't been changed. You kind of get used to the suspension, like what it takes to bottom it out. So you can just be a little bit more courteous to it. Don't hit things really hard. And honestly, it's fine for street use. You don't need better suspension for the street, in my opinion. Of course, it would be awesome to upgrade the suspension. I mean, you could definitely always get better, especially as you increase speed, but under 30 miles an hour, it's not really a massive issue. I'd say if you're going really fast in this thing, you know, you get the 11,000 watt version and you're hauling at 50 miles an hour with the new everything. I mean, I think definitely suspension would be awesome, but this is actually still serviceable still. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.